Such a nice day, right, Pete? Yeah, today's such a nice day. Can we play a game? Okay. Yay! Let's play. A few moments later. Oh my god, Pete, that was so fun. Ow, can't even walk. What happened? I can't even walk. My legs. Wait, what happened? My legs hurt. What? Your legs hurt? Huh? I knew my legs hurt. Oh no. Tap to take his blood out. Tap to take his blood out. Such a nice. What the hell was that? What the hell? Was there bleeding on the floor? I don't know. I guess I have to take him to the hospital. Why is there blood everywhere? Is he dead? He has his pulse. I'm gonna take him to the hospital. Oh, hi. Hi, welcome to the hospital. Hi, because I'm looking to make you just died. But he died. Why he has blood everywhere? Maybe he's dead. Oh, yes, he is dead. I can fix him. After Shadow, fix him alive.